Hello and welcome to another video by London Transport Tests. Today's topographical route planning question is a bit different. It is about making the right choice. So although apparently it looks like a very small route, but it is a very good example to understand how we should plan our route in an accurate manner and how we should always choose the best possibility. Let's start by reading the instructions. Plot a direct route from Talgarth Road, which is our green marker, to Greyhound Road, which is our red marker. Draw a straight line from your green marker to red marker. Now the thing is that our green marker and red markers can be anywhere on the map. We just have to find the most direct possible route. For example, in this case, at the first sight, it looks like maybe there was a way that we could enter this yellow road and come down towards our red marker, but you can see that our green marker is not exactly proportionate to this yellow road. Actually, it is ahead of it, and we cannot travel back because it is a one-way road. On this A4, we can only move in this direction. Then we have this entrance. So first we have eliminated this route. Now on this highway we can connect here, but we are more interested in going on this side of the road, which is again a blocker. We can choose this, come down, make some ways to our street, and maybe we can arrive to our destination. But sometimes the question is not exactly about finding the first solution. It is more about finding the utility. In this case, since we are already on an express road or orange road, we should definitely continue our path and try to use this area, the Hammersmith flyover. Many students in the beginning are not exactly familiar with what is happening in this area. We can see that the A4 Talgarth Road or the Hammersmith flyover is on top, and below Hammersmith flyover we have a big roundabout. So since we can see three sides of this roundabout, 1, 2, 3, there must be a fourth side as well, which will be right here. So the best route will be to continue on A4, take this slip road to connect to this roundabout and come back on Apollo Fulham Road. Go to Espinilla Road and arrive at our red marker. Let's draw the route. But how exactly is it helpful to understand all of these things? How, by learning different topographical route rules, we can more easily identify different marks on the map and make our planning more accurate. As you can see here on the screen that at zeropractice.com we have developed topographical route rules list. This list exhibits all the relevant topographical route rules. For example, in the current situation, the question we are trying to solve, this flyover roundabout and its symbol is very important to be understood. Because if you understand the idea behind flyover roundabouts, how to recognize which surface is above and which surface is below, and how exactly the roads are connected with each other is important. Similarly, if you understand the concept of central reservations, you will know how it is an unmarked one way, or how and why you can only travel in one direction on either lanes. Similarly, we can have dead ends or one-way roads or different restrictions ahead of ourselves. At zeropractice.com, our professional instructors teach these details to students in one-on-one lessons. So if you are someone who is trying to take a PHV driver's license, and if you think that topographical route planning is a bit of a hackle, you should definitely get in touch with our instructors, because we at zeropractice.com offer a comprehensive course that lets you train on all of these route rules one by one by solving different exercises, eventually leading to solving full length city routes, tunnels, or closed roads questions. Our instructors will help you to equip yourself with the qualities that are needed to pass topographical route planning assessment. Now that we have completed our planning and also developed an understanding about topographical route rules, let's actually draw the route. Press the draw button, zoom in as much as you can, clearly view the boundaries of your lane, click on your green marker and start drawing. So in this case, we can definitely draw on the base of the letters to keep our line separated from the boundary of the road as well as the center reservation, or in other words, the middle of the road. Sorry, we are not entertaining to go on the flyover, but instead we are going to take this slip road. Now, even if our line is crossing the flyover, but this is not exactly where we are below the flyover and we are arriving on the slip road because we can merge here. As you can see that the traffic always flows in a clockwise direction on a roundabout. So we can enter here, become a part of this traffic, and then instead of continuing on the roundabout, because we don't need to do that, we will just take a turn on Apollo. Now we are on the Fulham Street, which is also an orange road. So from here we will go straight, and this time you can see that this is a two-way road. So again, the thing is that to keep yourself in between the boundary of the road and the middle of the road, you don't necessarily have to be very close to the either side, but you have to choose a middle ground. And these alphabets, their upper side and their lower side, gives a very good medium to draw the line so that you can be away from the boundary, not touching the boundary, and also not navigating towards the right hand side. So here, for example, we can enter directly at this street. We can also choose to go from Greyhound. That is also okay. So the one way has ended and we can directly arrive at our red marker. When you have completed your route, do not forget to press the stop trying button. Thank you for watching the video. At London Transport Tests, we regularly share videos to help you prepare for your PHV driver's license and TfL assessments, including CIRU, speaking and listening, and topographical route planning. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. To learn more, visit our website cirupractice.com, where you will find plenty of content to prepare for these assessments with confidence. We have thousands of students who have obtained their PHV driver's license by preparing for their TfL assessments through cirupractice.com. Most of our students received 100% or at least above 90% marks. You can see some of their certificates on our website as well. These students took courses developed by cirupractice.com and also the trainings, one-on-one training lessons with our experienced instructors to clear any concepts about TfL topographical assessment, CIRU, or speaking and listening. Don't just take our word for it. If you visit London Transport Tests on Facebook, you will find 100% recommended for more than 100 of our students. So all of these reviews are from the students who have taken one-on-one training lesson with our experienced instructors and have managed to get their PHV driver's license with ease and confidence. Because at cirupractice.com, what we do is to train our students in such a way that they can easily pass TfL Topographical Route Planning Assessment, CIRU assessment, as well as speaking and listening. So please like this and keep following the updates. If you have any questions, message us on WhatsApp using the number on your screen, or you can call us directly at 020-3965-7202 or visit our website www.cirupractice.com. We are here to help. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.